Just got to our room and here it is. Say hello, Loney. They have my own bowls and a bed. It was so nice of them to provide that for him. Really sweet. So that's our room. And we got some flowers, gorgeous flowers. And we got some macarons, which is yummy. Of course, always yummy. A nice big bed that Tarlo's loving. He did so good on the train. We're very, very proud of him. This is our room. And that thing is very low hanging for us. And then I'll show you guys the bathroom in a minute. Here, let's look at the view. This is the view. And funny thing is, that restaurant right here is where I had breakfast last time. That was absolutely amazing, and I'm so glad that we are so close to it this time around as well. So, oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Not much down that way, and nothing really beautiful down that way either, but I'll show you guys around the city. Alright, so there's a nice mirror here. Gotta love full-length mirrors. And our bathroom, tub shower combo, and the sink. So it's small for us, but it works. It's a really beautiful hotel. Everything in Paris is small.
What kind of dessert are you thinking here?
Hmm?
I mean, they're wedges, but you know what I mean.
Merci.
Oh, get on my hands, bud. It's okay, you can get that stuff in post.
She's like, I got it.
It's funny. Sorry, he doesn't eat all the treats anyway.
I know, I don't want him to get sick. Are you the official vacuum up cleaner?
She said her dog is a thief. It's okay.
So funny.
She just don't want to get any of this on her.
Oh my gosh, it's so funny. Charles like, hey, those are mine.
Hey, you want to get this one?
Right there. Oh no, he wants the cream. Hi, honey. You getting some goodies? You getting some goodies? Alright, so we just left the dog cafe. That was an American-owned place. So I actually talked to the owner. I love it. It was so cute. Sorry I didn't get any pictures of the outside, but we just walked literally right into this park. It was like 1 minute walk. And it's absolutely beautiful. We can't take Tarlo in there, which is totally fine because there's kids playing and they want to keep it clean. I get it. But such a beautiful fountain. Not sure what this building is because we just walked through there where those people just came out. But it's quite beautiful. And then there's a cafe or a restaurant right here. I hate how the camera does that with some of the lights. They make them blink when they're not blinking. that's what those show up. Ooh, there's an art gallery right there.
That's
Oh,
cool.
wow.
I like that stuff, all of that stuff actually.
Beautiful. I like the big candy piece and that painting in the window.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, is it blown glass? The candy pieces?
Looks like it. Yeah.
That's cool. Show my. Just got to Seine. And we're gonna go down here and walk this path that you can see everybody walking on. Look, this is how you get down. And I'm not sure what this building is. Maybe it's a restaurant down there or cafe. It's actually a lot more quiet down here. It's amazing. You just come down a level. Alright, so we're headed to Pierre Hermé, which is a macaron patisserie. And this is on top of the Seine. Say hi, honey.
Hi, honey.
Tarlo! Hey, say hello! Yeah. He's having a good time. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, so I will pick back up when we get in there, because it's like right here.
Mindestens mal. Ja, das ist jedenfalls verschüttet, also einer wird nicht besser sein. Ja, sehr schön. Ich finde den auch
Alright, so we're just walking along the Seine and we are headed to the Louvre. This is actually one of the sides of the Louvre. The back is over there, which we just passed and I couldn't show you because it's really hard to film without a pop socket, I will be honest. And we are headed to the area where they have the pyramid, but I just wanted to show you guys like what the outside looks like because they don't show this part on Instagram. It's really beautiful, it's gigantic. I can't even tell you how big this place is. Like look at those people, they look so small. Alright, so we're gonna walk through this area. Come on, Tar. Wow, this is big. Conservation. Come on, come on. This place is gigantic. Look at all that detail up there. Tarlo's been extra vocal this trip. He's just very excited to be around people who like him, which is really funny. Wow, look at that up there. Here, can you take him to? Not easy to film. Okay, so let's give you guys a close-up.
Altså min farfar, han har krøller. Det er ham, jeg har det fra.
Okay. Pretty incredible. I feel like an ant in here. It's so big. There used to be a fountain, it looks like. No water in it now. You guys are walking in front of me.
Yeah, look on this one.
Oh, okay. See, I'm sorry guys, I don't mean to be so jiggly without my pop socket. I cannot keep it straight. I have to put the stabilization thing on. So we can't actually go in the Louvre. Well, we're not gonna go in the Louvre because we have Tarlo. I don't know if we can, maybe we can, I don't know. But we're not going to because he is so vocal. And that's very embarrassing for him to be whining in a museum.
I think it's a dedicated trip without him to go. We're probably gonna spend like 3-4 hours in there. It's
Probably.
It's huge.
And I see the triangle. Come on, Tarlo. And the Ferris wheel. So there are the pyramids. This is just incredible. I had no idea it was this big. All right, so we made it around almost to the back. We were over there when I was filming earlier. And so that's the entrance to the Louvre. And look what you can see right over there. You can see the Eiffel Tower. And then this is a small Arc de Triomphe, or Arc de something. Maybe not Triomphe. Okay, it is Triomphe, okay. This is just a smaller one, not like the grand one. And then this is a cafe over here, which is really cool. I'd love to like sit here and just like people watch. But we are not going to, we are going someplace else to have a hot chocolate and a pan. I know, look at this. A lot of them are like looking down on us, which is really eerie. Look at that. That guy's looking down.